Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIYW, and today I'm showing you day 8 of the 12 days of Christmas crafts. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and hit the playlist to watch all the other videos on YouTube of the 12 days of Christmas crafts. So I was so inspired by the Teardrop swag wall decor for the holidays, and out of these three Pinterest inspired ones that I found, I kind of took a little bit of each one of them and came up with my own version of a teardrop swag using mainly Dollar Tree items outside of the Chalk Couture pieces. So I'm showing you the Dollar Tree version. I have two Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I have some garland ties, and I used 3 of the clear ornaments, so I could DIY my own particular ornaments. I also used the wood stocking. I don't have a picture of it here. Piece that they have in the craft section, some berry bushes, and the ones I used on the actual one I'm going to show you are from Target. So I'm also showing you the chalkboard tags that they have at Dollar Tree that you can substitute for the Chalk Couture chips that I'm showing you here. And if you want to learn more about Lifestyle Chalk by Chalk Couture, hit me up in my DM and I'll send you some information. Now this video is going to actually be in several different parts, okay? So I used 2 of the Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. I used a bow from Family Dollar because it was red and black. 2 clear ornaments, some zip ties, and I actually used my crocodile to make holes in the Chalk Couture chips. I also have 3 different color paints, Mod Podge, some ribbon, and some string to go along with the rest of my supplies. So this video will actually have a few parts to it, and the first part is making the swag. Now the first thing you need to do is take off that plastic piece off the trees, and you need to flatten out the trees as best as possible, like literally as flat as you can, so that way they lay on top of each other very comfortably. And use 3 zip ties in certain places just to hold them together. I didn't overdo it with the zip ties, and I added about 14 to 16 garland ties, and use the ones from Dollar Tree if you could find them. I couldn't find them, so I had to use the ones from Target. And all I did was literally cut off the zip tie string. I fluffed up the garland ties just so that way I could have a little bit more depth outwards when it hung on the wall. So now part 2 is actually making the 3 different DIY clear ornaments that I made. I wanted to make some DIY ornaments. Now I make 3 clear ball ornaments, and that's what you see me doing here. The first one is the silver sparkle one with Mod Podge and glitter. And you shake, baby, shake. And I added a little ribbon at each one of them. The red one was just a red acrylic paint inside. And the third one was a black marble DIY crystal. So the third part of the video is actually making a buffalo check wood stocking ornament. All you see me doing is tracing the wood ornament on some tissue paper, adding some Mod Podge, and then covering it with the tissue paper. So the part 4 of this video is the festive chalkboard chips by Chalk Couture. Now I'm going to use my crocodile, which you see me doing here. I'm going to punch a hole in a few of the Chalk Couture chips right at the moment, and it's really simple. You just unlock the crocodile on the side and you put the chip or the wood piece in there and you make a hole. So I did that to a few of them, and then I used my smaller Chalk Couture transfers, the mini ones, to just give it a little festive look with some worded messages and the dove, and you know, just to tie all of it in. Now I put all of it together. Now once you have all your ornaments DIY'd, you want to make sure you tie them all down to your swag. You add your bow at the top, and you secure your bow at the top with a zip tie, just so that way you can hang it, and it does work easily. I just happen to wrap some rope around it just to secure the bow on even further to be able to hang it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I think this swag is so cute and so easy to make, super inexpensive. I just took it a step further and added the Chalk Couture chips, and I DIY'd my own ornaments. But you can use any ornaments you have. You can use the chalkboard paper tags that I showed you in the beginning of this video. You can use anything. You can use ribbon. You can add lights, whatever embellishments you want. You can make it white. You can make it with the white trees. So it can go either way. So I think in January when I flip my decor over for the new year, usually it's white and silver. I'll probably try to make 2 more swags as far as that color, and I'll try to show you guys that soon. But yeah, guys, this is my holiday swag. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys for day 11 coming up very soon. I also showed you guys day 10 today, so stay tuned for that. Thank you. It's Lifestyle DIYW.